Hey everyone, welcome to this video. This is Gunjan's Artistry and this time I'm going to paint something colorful using watercolors. And yes, thanks to my Insta friends who helped me to choose the topic. And guys, this time it's an unicorn. And let me show you some of the basic materials which we need. First thing we need is a watercolor paper and next some brushes. So you can see here I have some flat brushes and some round brushes, but I love to use shovel hair brushes mostly. And the third thing we need is a palette where you can mix your colors. The next thing we need is a water container where you have to wash your brushes after each time use. And the last thing we need is a masking tape, but I will not use this one in this video. So guys, please watch this video till the end, like, share and subscribe. So here is the final outcome and I'm quite happy with my painting. I have used some glittery golden and silver colors to give a shiny effect on it. So guys, if you liked it, please give a thumbs up and do comment below. Stay tuned, stay safe, and thanks for watching my complete video.